So now we are doing the Ho'oponopono chants to release vitiligo. I'm sorry for judging my body and its appearance. Please forgive me for rejecting parts of myself. I love you, my body, for all you do to sustain me. Thank you for teaching me self-acceptance and love. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for believing I am less because of my condition. Please forgive me for doubting my worth. I love you, my soul, for your infinite beauty. Thank you for reminding me that I am whole. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for not always caring for my body as it deserves. Please forgive me for moments of neglect. I love you, my body, for your resilience and strength. Thank you for guiding me to care for myself better. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for comparing my skin to the skin of other people. Please forgive me for feeling inferior. I love you, my uniqueness, for setting me apart. Thank you for reminding me of my individuality. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for resisting and fighting against this condition. Please forgive me for not embracing my journey. I love you, my body, for being a vessel of life. Thank you for guiding me towards healing and peace. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for suppressing emotions that may have harmed my body. Please forgive me for not allowing them to flow. I love you, my emotions, for showing me what needs healing. Thank you for teaching me to process and release. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for the anger I have held on to. Please forgive me for letting it cause this vitiligo. I love you, my heart, for teaching me compassion. Thank you for releasing anger and inviting peace. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for fearing how others perceive me. Please forgive me for letting fear control me. I love you, my spirit, for your courage. Thank you for helping me embrace my true self. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for feeling ashamed of my skin. Please forgive me for not seeing its beauty. I love you, my body, for your uniqueness. Thank you for helping me release shame. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for the past traumas I have carried in my body. Please forgive me for holding on to them for so long. I love you, my soul, for your strength. Thank you for releasing these burdens and allowing me to heal. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for not appreciating my skin's strength. Please forgive me for doubting its ability to heal. I love you, my skin, for your protection and beauty. Thank you for working to restore balance and harmony. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for being impatient with my healing journey. Please forgive me for wanting quick fixes. I love you, my body, for your efforts to heal. Thank you for reminding me to trust the process. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for any imbalance in my immune system. Please forgive me for not supporting its function. I love you, my immune system, for protecting me. Thank you for working to restore health and balance. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for any disharmony at the cellular level. Please forgive me for ignoring the signals of my body. I love you, my cells, for your intelligence and strength. Thank you for working together to restore health. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for rejecting my skin's current appearance. Please forgive me for not appreciating its journey. I love you, my skin, for being a canvas of my life. Thank you for evolving and healing with grace. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for withholding love from myself. Please forgive me for being harsh or critical. I love you, my being, for your infinite worth. Thank you for teaching me to love myself unconditionally. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for not always thanking my body for its work. Please forgive me for taking it for granted. I love you, my body, for all you do for me. Thank you for your strength, resilience, and beauty. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for not prioritizing inner peace. Please forgive me for letting stress and worry take over. I love you, my spirit, for seeking balance. Thank you for guiding me towards calm and healing. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for being impatient or frustrated with my healing. Please forgive me for moments of doubt. I love you, my path, for teaching me resilience. Thank you for guiding me towards wholeness. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for forgetting my connection to divine energy. Please forgive me for feeling alone in this journey. I love you, my spirit, for your guidance. Thank you for connecting me to the infinite source of healing. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for not always inviting light into my body. Please forgive me for moments of resistance. I love you, my light, for always being present. Thank you for illuminating my path to healing. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for allowing imbalance in my life and body. Please forgive me for not addressing it sooner. I love you, my body, for striving for equilibrium. Thank you for restoring harmony within me. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for letting this condition of vitiligo dim my joy. Please forgive me for moments of despair. I love you, my spirit, for seeking happiness. Thank you for teaching me to embrace life with joy. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for forgetting that love is the ultimate healer. Please forgive me for closing my heart to it. I love you, love, for your infinite power to heal. Thank you for filling every part of my being. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for doubting the process of healing. Please forgive me for losing faith. I love you, my journey, for leading me to wholeness. Thank you for unfolding exactly as it should. Please repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. And now we'll do the I forgive myself statements for vitiligo. I forgive myself for judging my skin and its appearance. I release this judgment and embrace acceptance. Please repeat, I forgive myself, and please repeat it after each I forgive myself statement. I forgive myself for believing I am not enough because of my vitiligo. I'm worthy just as I am. I forgive myself for focusing on imperfections instead of appreciating my body's beauty. I forgive myself for comparing my skin with the skin of others and feeling less than. I honor my uniqueness. I forgive myself for withholding love from my body. I now choose self-love and kindness. I forgive myself for feeling ashamed of my skin. I release this shame and welcome self-acceptance. I forgive myself for suppressing emotions that may have affected my healing. I allow them to flow and heal. I forgive myself for any anger I have directed at myself because of my condition. I release it with love. I forgive myself for believing that my condition makes me a burden to others. I am deserving of love and care. I forgive myself for holding on to emotional pain for too long. I let it go now with compassion. I forgive myself for not always giving my body the care it needed. I commit to nurturing it now. I forgive myself for not listening to my body's cries for attention and healing. I forgive myself for delaying my healing journey out of fear or doubt. I trust the timing of my growth. I forgive myself for not addressing my mental well-being as part of my healing journey. I forgive myself for pushing through exhaustion instead of honoring my body's need for rest. I forgive myself for fighting against my condition instead of working with my body to heal. I forgive myself for doubting my body's ability to heal and regenerate. I forgive myself for wanting immediate solutions and forgetting what healing means and that it will take time. I forgive myself for resisting the lifestyle changes needed for my healing. I forgive myself for losing hope or faith in my ability to heal. I trust in my body's wisdom. I forgive myself for fearing how others perceive me. I release the need for external validation. I forgive myself for hiding or withdrawing because of my condition. I allow myself to shine fully. I forgive myself for fearing that my efforts to heal might not work. I trust the process. I forgive myself for feeling insecure about how I look. I honor my beauty in all its forms. I forgive myself for not trusting my body and its ability to heal and thrive. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I completely and absolutely forgive myself. Please repeat, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you.